everybody. Welcome to Oshkosh 2023. It's setup day, and I thought I'd take you on a little tour. We're going to start out in the ultralight area, my favorite. I'll just tell you right up front, where we're celebrating lots of anniversaries. Avid Flyer, Quad City Challenger, 40 years for each of those companies. Can you believe that? There's trucks everywhere and airplanes are covered, but we're just getting ready, folks. 45 years for the Weed Hopper. Goodness gracious, can some of you even remember that? As you see, there's airplanes scattered all around, there's vehicles everywhere, but you know what? That's some of the magic on opening day. I get to go snoop around and see what I think might be fun. Here's another one. Saw them last year. They came with one model. Now they're celebrating 40 years of the T-Bird, and they've got new models. Here's another change. It used to be the G1. Now it's going to be something else. I'll tell you more about that later, as with many of these things. But I thought you might just enjoy a little tour of the grounds. So let's keep going. It's setup day. You got to weave in and out carefully. It's setup day here. You'd think the place was open. It's not. It officially opens tomorrow, Monday the 24th, and is open through the following Sunday. But there are a lot of people here. Look at that air cam. Isn't that the most beautiful fish paint job you just ever saw? Of course, I'm leaving on the what's called ambient sound so that you get some of the flavor of the place as well. That means there's some other background noise here, so those of you that are very attentive to audio, I get that, but I wanted the whole experience. This is not an LSA, it's got a Lycoming in it. They're baby lakes, but so pretty I had to take a picture of it. Everything's coming together quickly here at AirVenture Oshkosh 2023. I sure hope a lot of you can join us because I think it's going to be another exciting week. And we're going to talk about Mosaic here. You can bet on that. I'll bet you it'll be a subject that's on everybody's minds. I've already heard from dozens of people about it. But you know what? Let's go north. From here on out, we're just going to tour down the main north-south drag at AirVenture, and I'm going to drop in a few pictures like this very bright bush cat, like their other airplanes weren't attention getting enough. We stop, of course, respectfully while airplanes, which own the place, get to taxi across that main road, blow over a few chairs while they're at it. But you're getting to see a whole stream. Kit planes for Africa finally make a showing in America. Lots to see here. There's the Hyperlight. These guys were working on special light sport aircraft approval the last time we saw them. I'll check in with them again to see if that's what's happening now. The folks making the vintage airplanes are alive and well. In fact, we're going to go right by the vintage area of the main area pretty soon, and I hope you'll enjoy that too. Look at this little T-Bird. This is a T-Bird True Ultralight, the TU. I like that. That airplane was so much fun to fly, more years ago than I care to remember. But hopefully you'll enjoy more of that airplane later. Father and son team made this very, very nice paint job. I was impressed with that, and I love to see a father and son working on the airplane together. In just a moment, we're going to turn the corner and enter the main square of EAA AirVenture Oshkosh. This is where they always display the great big aircraft, including many military aircraft. And indeed, you're going to see some cool hardware here to begin with, but one that catches my eye every time is that rather unusual looking B-22 Osprey. You see it in the extreme upper right corner at the moment.